Hello people, in this tutorial you will learn image map. With image map element you can add links to the different places of an image. I mean like this. You see, if I click here it will visit YouTube, or if I click here it will visit Google. How we do this? First you should add an image to the web page. First create an image tag and pick up a picture from your computer. I will pick up this, copy path of the image, sorry, copy and paste here, then name it and format. If you like you can skip out attribute for now. Then I will add width, no, I just add width and height attribute, for example 800 pixel, height attribute 1500 pixel. To add links to the image we use map attribute in the image tag, and we write image map name with sharp image map. Then create a map element like this, and in the name attribute use map name, but don't write map name with sharp in the name attribute like this. Don't write sharp. After done this, create area tag. It's a single tag. It has three main attributes: shape, coordinates, and href. Shape attribute defines shape of the area. It can take three different shapes: circle, rectangle, and poly. Now I just write circle. Coordinates attribute. In the attribute we demonstrate coordinate of the shape. For example, like this. And you already know hyperreference attribute, http youtube.com. If you like you can add another attribute, for example title attribute like this. Visit YouTube. Save and launch. You see cursor turn to the pointer at visit YouTube, a description display. If I click here it will visit YouTube. You can add another shape. You can use as many as shape area you want, but you should calculate coordinates. If I'm not mistaken, there are some programs that do it for you. So I just want to use another shape. I just duplicate it. This time poly. Poly. And Google. Google changes. Poly takes so many coordinates, so I will change it. launch again. You see, visit Google. Sorry, visit YouTube. Visit Google. Here it is. You see, it's look like a poly, but I didn't write coordinates correctly. So anyway, this is about image map. Don't forget to practice on your servers. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.